The human skills AI can't replace. 100 quests, 20 minutes each. Not a course you watch, a playbook you run, inside the meetings you already have. Bring one real problem. Tell Deano, one messy sentence is enough. He orders the quests that solve it. You run the first one tomorrow, in 20 minutes. 4 families, 25 quests each. Self-management, problem-solving, collective intelligence, digital literacy. Every quest targets a core skill the World Economic Forum flags for 2030. Same anatomy 100 times over. The why in seconds. The how in 4 steps. 20 minutes, 1 printable board. You don't study the quest, you run it. 4 ways in. Follower is free forever, no card. Player unlocks all 100 quests, paid once. Hero and Legend add human coaching. Upgrade the day it earns it.
Tell Deano your challenge. Walk away with a plan. The team won't decide becomes a decision ritual track. Free, no sign up, 2 minutes. Try it, then decide.